Gaeilge Eachtra, nu táimid ag deanadh na ceistreanna a gcóin leis an scéal éachtra sa sneachta an líontach nuacha is a ní. So an céad ceist is cad a bhí an talamh nuair a gúisigh áisiúin maidin. Okay, so we know the first word starts with BH. Okay, so we look at our question. So cad a bhí. So what was on the ground when Oisin woke up in the morning? So we've got to look something an talamh. So we look into the story and we can find, can we see the something an talamh? Right, so in the an talamh. So in céad freagar, the brat ban sneachta an talamh. Okay. And our dara ceist is conas a bhí a is ag mami go raibh an scoil dúnta. Okay, so how did mum know that the school was closed? So we're looking for the word fur. It's going to start. So what could mum got? She's furred something on skull. So we have to look into the scale and see if we can find the word fur. And the mammy, so fur mammy, what did mammy get? So fur mammy something on skull. And then ever 3. Cén fa stop mammy na pastí ag an doras. So why did mammy stop them at the door? So we know it starts with BH. So see, can we find the same word that mammy stopped mammy aid ag an doras? So we can see that stop mammy aid ag an doras. And then can we see any word that begins with BH, Tarish, and Aberchin? So you can see a sentence that begins with BH after this sentence here. That will be our answer to ever 3. And then ever 4. It's ca nyahi na pastí. So it's ca nyahi. We're going to start with the verb hui. So it'll be hui in the pastí, go. So hui in the pastí, go kin ach and a woolsheed. So tashid an croc. Okay, so it tells us fi an croc do the dini. So fi in the pastí egg an croc. So can yahi in the pastí, hui in the pastí, go g an